Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Fayetteville, and one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing replacement doors. While alarm systems and cameras play an important role, your doors are the first line of defense. Old, worn, or poorly constructed doors can make your home vulnerable, while modern replacement doors are designed to provide strength, durability, and peace of mind. Stronger materials mean better protection. Many older homes in Fayetteville still have doors made from thin wood or aging materials that weaken over time. Replacement doors are built with modern materials such as reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid core composites. These materials are far more resistant to forced entry, kicking, or prying. Steel doors, in particular, offer exceptional strength without sacrificing appearance. Fiberglass doors combine durability with flexibility, resisting cracking, warping, and splitting, common issues in older doors. With these materials, your home gains a solid barrier that is much harder for intruders to breach. Advanced locking systems add an extra layer of security. Replacement doors are designed to work seamlessly with modern locking systems. Unlike older doors that may only support basic locks, new doors often accommodate multi-point locking systems. These locks secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it significantly more difficult to force open. Upgrading your door also allows for stronger deadbolts, reinforced strike plates, and smart lock compatibility. Smart locks give homeowners in Fayetteville greater control, allowing you to lock or unlock doors remotely, receive alerts, and monitor access, all contributing to improved security and convenience. Reinforced frames prevent forced entry. A strong door is only as secure as its frame. Many break-ins occur not because the door fails, but because the frame gives way. Replacement door installations typically include reinforced frames designed to withstand impact and pressure. Modern door frames are engineered to hold up against force, reducing the risk of the door being kicked in. When installed professionally, the frame, hinges, and locking points work together as a unified system, creating a much stronger entry point than older setups. Better fit reduces vulnerabilities over time. Doors can shift, warp, or settle, creating gaps that weaken security. These gaps make it easier for intruders to use tools to pry doors open. Replacement doors are custom fitted to your home, ensuring a tight, secure seal. A properly fitted door not only improves security but also enhances insulation and noise reduction. For Fayetteville homeowners, this means a door that keeps unwanted visitors out while making the home more comfortable year-round. Improved visibility and design without sacrificing safety. Many homeowners worry that adding glass or decorative elements will reduce security. Modern replacement doors are designed to balance style and protection. Impact-resistant glass, reinforced panels, and secure glazing options allow natural light while maintaining strength. You can choose doors with sidelights, decorative glass, or modern designs that enhance curb appeal without compromising safety. This means you don't have to choose between a beautiful entrance and a secure one. You can have both. Increased confidence and peace of mind. Beyond physical protection, replacement doors offer something just as important: peace of mind. Knowing your home is secured with durable materials, strong locks, and professional installation helps you feel safer whether you're at home or away. For Fayetteville homeowners looking to improve security, replacement doors are a practical, long-lasting investment. They protect your family, enhance your home's appearance, and add real value, all while strengthening one of the most important parts of your home's defense system. Upgrading your doors isn't just about replacing what's old, it's about building a safer, more secure future for your home.